All right, so welcome back to this next topic, which is on fulfillment service. And fulfillment service is a third-party service that will inspect, pick up, and pay supplier, package, and also deliver your item. Most people just call it delivery service, but fulfillment service does a whole lot than just deliver. They will inspect, like I've said here, they will inspect, they will pick up and pay the supplier for you. That is if you want the delivery company to pay the supplier on your behalf before picking up. They will package the item and label it accordingly to the address of the receiver and deliver your item, or make sure it is sent out to the proper location if they are not within the states that they operate in. Then they handle payments on delivery and remit to you as the seller, as well as payment excuse me, as well as payment before delivery. Now, the most important question you should be asking yourself is, how do I find a good fulfillment or delivery company? Number one is to look out for reviews. People who have known me in the past can attest to the fact that there was one company I was always praising, and that was Sharp Logistics. And there was another company I was always praising, but I don't even know what happened. My phone got bad and I lost their contact. So these two companies were my go-to delivery or fulfillment companies in Lagos. But Sharp Logistics has stopped working in Lagos, so I have to find another one, which is another one I want to try, which is Deliveram, and then the in-house delivery company we have within us. So look out for reviews. I actually, before I considered Deliveram to be, I'll give you a list of delivery companies within this same package. I will send a list to you. Within the entrepreneur, the mini importation community that I was in, I saw somebody praising him that she, gave him instructions, please pick up from this place and drop off. And oh, no, it was pay on delivery. Yeah, yeah, come and pick up from me, deliver and remit, and everything was done within the same day. And she was like, this is the fastest delivery she has ever gotten. That the customer was even surprised, like, we just spoke right now and I'm already getting it. So I saw a couple of reviews like that, and then just some OGs in mini importation. I've seen that they've used his service and they all kept saying good things. So those reviews made me feel solid that okay, this man can deliver, especially with the part of remittance. If they have problem remitting, they will have problem paying the supplier. That's just the truth. If they have problem giving you your money, when they collect it to give somebody else, you think it's be easy? No. Then the next one is quick delivery period and remittance for payments on delivery or shipments. Now, this quick delivery period or fast delivery periods, I don't know anyone you want to call it. I like calling quick, but let me put it as fast or speedy. Yeah, speedy or swift. I could go on all the swift delivery period and remittance, meaning as the delivery period is fast, the remittance is also fast, but payments are on delivery or shipments. Yeah. So if a delivery company says, delivery within Lagos is within 3 days, uncle, no, now delivery within Lagos shouldn't be nothing less than 24 hours. That's next day delivery. Okay, because you will pick up if they've paid, if at least one person has paid, they can go and you can use that whole money and pick up for like two. Then tomorrow, the next day, they'll go and pick the last one in the morning. That way, they'll be able to get three. They'll be able to make three deliveries within that same day. Okay, let me give you an illustration now. The delivery company that I used to work with, then their branch was at Isolo. So let us assume that they have to pick up from, let's say, Ikeja and deliver to Aja. And out of the three people that are supposed to pay, or rather the three people that are supposed to hold down payment for me to confirm their orders, because pay on delivery in Lagos say, if you don't tell these people to hold down the order with at least a small commitment fee, my brother, my sister, you will lose money. The level of unseriousness is really bad. Even if it's 100 naira, you tell them to drop down as commitment fee. The way they will hassle you, has my item not gone out? Is it not come? Are we not in this same Lagos? Yeah. Their body will start going all jittery. They start getting scared. 100 naira. If it is just minimum of 100 naira, then imagine telling them to drop only the delivery fee so that it will be sent out. Some people like, how am I sure you are real? What if I pay the 1,000 and I never hear from you again? Those ones, just let them go. They are not ready. The people who are serious, they know how Lagos people are, and they will understand with you as a seller that they need to show this, so they are also serious before they get their item. So what they do is that if out of 5 people only 2 people make payments, what I do is those 2 people, their orders have been confirmed. Okay, I will send the money to the dispatch rider, to an available to the company, to give an available dispatch rider to make a pickup. You understand? They will pick it up that evening or that afternoon. So those 2 people that paid today will be the priority. So they will pick it up this evening to deliver tomorrow morning. Then tomorrow morning, when those last people finally make their own down payment, I try to make sure they do it in the morning. Anybody who exceeds 8 9 a.m., I will just have to move it on to the next day. Okay, it's usually next day delivery if they pay that day or early in the morning. If they don't, they should wait till 2 days. So any delivery company that cannot assure you that, look, when I give you money to go out and do the pickup and drop off, they will get it in Lagos within 24 hours, and they will get it outside Lagos within 3 days. Just know that that delivery company is not serious. I've worked with one like that. They were like, due to the amount of insufficient hands we have in our delivery company, delivery within Lagos is between 1 to 3 working days. We don't work on Saturdays. I was like, okay, thank you very much. Bye. Don't, no, 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 no. They're not begging anybody. And if you meet another person, delivery in Lagos is same day if we get paid in the morning, or next day if we get paid in the evening. Simple. Then delivery to other parts of the country is 2 to 3 working days. Simple. That's it. That's what you want to hear. Any other thing, any other long explanation, and no, no, no. They have to state their delivery period. Now the remittance for payments on deliveries or shipments is another issue that makes people scared of using delivery companies to receive money for them. Some people will say the moment you get the money, we'll send it to you. No, 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 no. Those ones, they will not. Trust me, I've been there. They won't. They can't, because they have to. The money has to pass through their accounts. An accountant in their office has to approve it. Oh, come on. No, 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 that's not how it works. The dispatch rider will have to bring the money, then they will deduct the delivery fee. Okay, they put that money in a bank or take it to your bank and debit it, but most times they put it in their own bank account and transfer to you. Are you seeing the process it takes before you get your money? So anybody that says, the moment it enters our hand, it's going to your account straight for the gods, unless they create a pay stack account for you and say that the moment we credit ourselves, we'll do next day, and you get credited on the next day. You get next working day. We don't work on Saturday and Sunday, so whoever pays on Friday is Monday, you will get it. It's understandable. Next working day is better than I'll give you. Nah. The moment we get it, we send to you. No. That is a very big lie. Don't fall for that trap. Okay, if the person say we can do same day remittance is different. It means they can collect the money in the morning and give you in the evening, or collect in the afternoon and give you in the evening. But I doubt they can collect in the evening and give you that same evening. It's not possible. It's not. They close by 5 o'clock. Why would they sit down to start calculating? I doubt it. So they should state their period of remittance, and remittance should not exceed 24 hours. If you start hearing 48 to 72 hours, just know that they are using your money to run their business. Pump and plain. There is no saying there is a system. Forget all those system English. It's just semantics to lie to you. Any delivery company that spends more than 24 hours to credit you is using your money to run their business. They probably use it to go and buy fuel. Then whoever is doing pay before delivery, they will now use that money and complete your own. Don't be deceived. Okay, the next day remittance is the advisable period of time to get your money for payment on delivery. Now, reasonable pickup and delivery rate of 1,000 naira for items under 5 kg is okay. Then 700 naira extra for any extra kg above 5 kg is, to me, is reasonable. That's under 5 kg, 1000 naira. For 5 kg and above, an extra 700 naira. It makes sense, right? It makes sense. So that is a reasonable pickup fee. Then delivery fee should not exceed 2500 naira. There's a delivery company that ships to Abuja for 3.5, and I was this close to telling the lady that was picking over the phone that instead, let me use, because it was from Lagos to Abuja. I say, you know what? Instead, let me use Nice Boss. Send it to Lagos. I will go by myself to the customer's house, knock on the door, madam. It's me. Oh, you ordered my item. 3,500 naira. Just add 1,000 naira, and that's the complete. Ah, no, 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 no. No, that was too expensive. I told him, my top notch delivery. Madam, please keep your top notch. Give me delivery rates I can afford. Do you understand? Like, since the people are top notch, I think you can find the top notch delivery company. Funny enough, that delivery company has folded up. I can't find. They had a website then. I can't find the website anymore. Top notch. That's not how you run it though. Like sharp sharp deliveries, when they first started, their delivery fees were very very affordable. 800 naira within Abuja city center, 1000 naira around the outskirts. Then within Lagos, 1000 naira on mainland, 15 to island, 2000 naira to Ikorodu and Badagry. Okay, so the next way to find out if the delivery company or fulfillment company is a good one is they should be willing to inspect upon pickup. Some delivery companies just want to pick up and go. They are more interested in your money than giving you the assurance that your product, like what you are ordering for, what you're picking up, is exactly what the supplier told you. You don't want to work with a company that doesn't care about you. Put that at the back of your mind. If the delivery company does not care about you, you feel it. You feel the way they are interacting with you. Their nonchalant attitude would really irk you off, and over time you start looking for an alternative to work with. Then the next one is they must clearly state their terms and conditions. You know how you know how some Nigerians like for me, we thought you knew, or it's written on our website and they never gave you all those. In fact, you never even knew they had a website. You need to ask them all those questions. Is there anything I should do? Is there anything I should ship? Is there anything you don't ship? State it under your terms and conditions. Is there anywhere in Lagos that what's it called? You have to pay for toll gate fee or settle any agbero, so that I'll know. Not that when you want to charge me, you be like, oh, I'm owing 1,000 naira. They passed through to so and so rules 4 times, and police collected 100 naira 10 times. You understand? So they should state their terms and conditions. Any other charges that you might incur, they should make themselves very open. If they start for me, don't worry, just start with us first. I avoid anything. Even women that are watching this video right now, I know you can clearly understand this scenario. You go to a salon, you want to make your hair. They start saying, "Let me start first. When I finish, you know how much." You can you can attest to the fact that those are the worst salons you go to, right? By the time they are done, they start calling amounts that don't even make sense. But you can't complain because they are done with the hair. Okay, so when you start telling them, no, let's talk now. Is it that I don't want to do the hair? They start, because they know they want to deceive you, and you be trying to trust you you trust them, and they'll get the hair done. Next thing you know, hair of 1.5, they start telling you, it's 7.5, it's a new technique. If you don't want, lose the hair. You understand? So try to get them to tell you everything, state the terms and conditions. We don't need any uh backyard charges to just incur up, and next thing you know, someone is screaming your name on Facebook. Hey, this seller has refused to pay us, when you never stated it pump and plain that, oh, I'm supposed to also pay these charges. You get? Now the next one is they should have reasonable chargeback fees. Okay, let us make the assumption that let's have the assumption that for your payment on delivery, even after the person has given you the commitment fee by paying delivery fee first. Let us assume that the person, for whatever reason, is unavailable to receive the item. Maybe the person dropped the office address and was like, "Ah, we're having a meeting and it has been extended. I can't come out. I don't know when it will be done. Can they move it back to tomorrow?" Delivery companies, they have to charge you for failed delivery. Okay, so some people charge just 20% of the delivery fee. So if the delivery fee is 1,000 naira and chargeback, and they want to put the chargeback over it, it's just be like 200 naira extra. So you'll be paying them 1,200 naira. That 200 naira, because is